In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to read your results with confidence. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Give the page a second to load so everything is crisp. If you're working with drawings or plans, make sure you're viewing the correct sheet and zoomed in enough to see the points you'll be clicking. Clear visibility makes your clicks more precise and keeps your measurements clean. Next, head to the Measurements panel. This is the dedicated space where all your measuring tools and results live. Depending on your workspace, the panel may appear on the left side with your other tools, or you might open it from the panel's toolbar. Once it's visible, you'll see options for different measurement tools and a list where results will show up as you work. Now choose the type of measurement you need. Pick a tool that matches your task. Use a length or distance tool for straight runs, a perimeter tool for outlining edges, an area tool for spaces like rooms or slabs, or a count tool when you simply need the number of items. Selecting the right tool at the start keeps everything organized and ensures the results appear in the format you expect. With the tool selected, click on the PDF to place points or outline the shape you want to measure. For a simple length, click your start point and then click your end point. For perimeters and areas, click along each corner or curve to trace the boundary. As you click, Bluebeam will preview the lines between your points, helping you follow edges accurately. Take your time placing each point precisely. Zooming in before a click can improve accuracy. If you misplace a point, just undo and try again. When you're done, complete the measurement by double-clicking to finish the line or by closing the shape on your last point. Bluebeam will finalize the geometry and lock in the path you traced. You'll see the shape or line remain on the page, which makes it easy to reference or adjust later if needed. Finally, look to the Measurements panel to view the result. The value appears there immediately, labeled by the tool you used, and it updates if you edit the points. This panel keeps a running list of your measurements so you can compare numbers, track totals, and stay organized as you work across your document. That's all there is to it. Open, go to Measurements, choose your tool, click to place points, finish the shape, and read your results.